my uncle. Hey guys, we're Ukulele Madness. There's only two instrument inputs, so David couldn't come up and play with us. We wanted him to. He's in our band. Despite what Andan sometimes says, once you've been in the band, you are always in the band. No one is ever removed from the band. So if you've ever played with us, you know what that means. All right.
We got a rain themed number for you from Creedence.
Yep.
Okay.
Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot. I know, it's been that way for all my time. Till it comes, yeah, the circle fast and slow. I know, and I can't stop, I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day.
Sing along, y'all know the words.
Coming down on a sunny day.
Thank you all for singing along.